Oh, this robot takes blood. Oh my god. Hi guys. Hello, welcome to my channel. Tech with a leg. Oh, this robot takes blood. Oh my god. The future is now. Definitely, the future is now. So there is a robot who's so he's searching for your vein, and then it takes your blood. That's great. I'm wondering when we're gonna have these vending machines. So you just put your finger or your arm into a special device on the street, and they're gonna take your blood for analyze. That's great. That's great. Oh my god. This device is making oh my god. So he's making a haircut. He's making a haircut. Oh my god. That's great. That's great. Oh my god. This device is making oh my god. So he's making a haircut. He's making a haircut. Oh my god. That's great. That's great. Yeah. Maybe it's a concept, but I love it. Especially if you are somewhere in Siberia. You have to tank your car and you don't want to go out. You can just pay online and then fuel your car. That's great. Aha, this is an ultrasound robot. So you can also check the... You can paint? What? That's great. So it's... Oh yeah. Oh my god, this robot is great. Oh. Next step would be a Batmobile. So people gonna ride on the walls. That's true. Oh, is it for graffiti? Oh, for cleaning? That's cool. Oh, you can also ride on the wall. What is he doing? Is he trying to... Oh.
Bell V280 Valor. I'll show you guys something really interesting. If you're a maintainer, check this out. Okay, so if you look at the aircraft, you can't really see any of the avionics or electronics or wires or anything that's going on like that. But if you look through these goggles, you're able to see everything in the entire aircraft. And it's actually pretty neatly detailed. And you're able to see and learn everything.
That's amazing.
Through the
That's
goggles.
amazing. Those things gonna help a lot of people. People are gonna be replaced by robots, definitely. She likes that. With this fancy music. Why these wheels looks like wheels from a skateboard? It looks a bit weird. People are gonna be replaced by robots, definitely. Oh, that's a train, and it goes like... once I've been traveling somewhere in Germany. So it's a metro. That's how they get rid of traffic. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.